If you're buying $1 million plus home in Orlando, don't make this mistake. Putting a huge amount of extra cash into a property just because someone told you jumbo loans are bad. Well, they're not. In 2026, the conforming loan limit for a one-unit property in Orange, Lake, Osceola, and Seminole counties is $832,750. So the real question is not, how do I avoid a jumbo loan? It's actually which financing structure gives me the best combination of payment, cash to close, financing cost, and liquidity after closing. Now, here's why. Say you're buying a $1 million home, $1,050,000 in Orlando area home with a 20% down. Your loan amount is $840,000. That's only $7,250 above the conforming loan limit. By increasing your down payment from $210,000 to $217,250, you could potentially bring your first mortgage down to the $832,750 within the conforming loan limits. This is absolutely worth comparing. But on a $1.5 million home, 20% down creates a $1.2 million loan. Now, to reduce that to the $832,750, you'll need approximately $367,250 more than the original 20% down. That's not a small mortgage decision. That's a capital allocation decision. Now, when I work with Orlando jumbo buyers, I usually compare three structures. First, one, jumbo mortgage. Make the down payment that fits your financial plan and finance the balance. Second, increase the down payment enough to keep the first mortgage conforming. Third, when the borrower and the program qualifies, use a conforming first mortgage with an eligible second financing. Now, none of this is automatically the best. Everybody financial needs are different. A jumbo loan may preserve more cash. A conforming loan may offer a better pricing. And a secondary financing may reduce the first mortgage, but it also creates another payment for another set of terms. That's why I do not start with what rate I can get you. I start with what are we trying to accomplish with your money? Here's what I compare. How much cash is required at closing? What's the monthly payment? What are the rate, APR, annual percentage rate, points, and lender cost? How much liquidity remains after closing? And what reserve requirements apply? How long do you realistically expect to keep the mortgage? That's a big one. And what is the opportunity cost for putting another $50,000, $100,000, or even $300,000 into the property? High-income borrowers may also be balancing investments, business capital, another property, renovation, or simply stronger reserves. Lots of questions that need to be asked and reviewed. More down payment means less debt, but it also means less liquidity. Neither is automatically right. And this matters in Orlando. Across Orange, Lake, Osceola, and Seminole counties, there are more than 1,100 active home listings from about 1 million up to 27 million. And more than 1,000 homes have sold for more than $1 million in the last 180 days. This is not a niche financing question. At this time I'm recording this, Orlando has an active luxury market where buyers are making these decisions every day. And the higher the purchase price, the more important it becomes to think beyond the rate and look at the entire capital strategy. Now, I'm Ron Roberts with Roberts Home Loans, aka Ron the Home Loan Dude, answering these questions for you. If you're considering high-priced homes anywhere in Orlando metro area, I'll help you compare the structure before you commit to the cash. The link is in the description. Please go ahead and click on that. We'll do your conforming to jumbo strategy call, bring the purchase price, the down payment you're considering, and your goals. We'll review everything. We'll put a plan together. We'll compare the jumbo options, the conforming options, and any other appropriate structures side by side so you can see the payment, cash to close, financing costs, and liquidity. And remember, the goal is not to avoid a jumbo loan. The goal is to know which structure deserves your money. Click the link in the description and let's start building your path to home ownership. And I will see you on the next video.